Welcome back to Omalola Finance Lab. How are you doing today? If you're ready to learn how to invest like the rich, make sure you hit that subscribe button, BOOP the like button, and drop a comment below with your money goals. The secret to building wealth is not just making money but knowing how to make your money work for you, so get ready for some game-changing strategies. Stick around because at the end, I'll reveal the number one mistake that keeps people poor. Quick task, pause the video now and comment your number one money goal. Investing is not just for the rich, even $10 can start your journey. Example, if you invest $10 per month into an S&P 500 ETF with a 10% return in 30 years, it becomes $19,837. Tools to use. Dollar-based investment platform. M1 Finance beginner-friendly investing. Robinhood for direct stock purchases. Challenge start today, invest $5 this week and share in the comments. Think about this: if you start with just $10 a month and gradually increase your contributions as your income grows, you could end up with a six-figure investment portfolio over time. Small consistent steps lead to massive results. The key is to start now and stay consistent. What is stopping you from making your money work for you? The earlier you begin, the more time your investments have to grow. Do not wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is today. The power of investing is in the long game, so take action today and let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting for you. Stocks, quick entry, liquid, great for long-term growth. Real estate, passive income, long-term appreciation. Example, if you invested $10,000 in Amazon in 2000, today it would be worth over $1.5 million. On the other hand, $10,000 as a down payment on a house in a growing area could turn into over $100,000 in equity within a few years. While stocks give you the flexibility to buy and sell quickly, real estate builds steady wealth over time with rental income and appreciation. Investing in both can create a strong, diversified portfolio that balances growth and stability. Consider this: if you reinvest stock dividends over 20 years, your returns could multiply significantly. Meanwhile, rental properties can generate passive income every month while increasing in value. The key is to choose the right investment based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and how much time you want to dedicate. No matter what, the earlier you start, the bigger your potential returns. Stocks or real estate? Drop your pick in the comments. The rich do not work for money, they make money work for them. Example, Warren Buffett still lives in his $31,000 home, but his investments make billions. Key investing secrets. Diversification, stocks, real estate, and businesses. Reinvest profits, let compound interest do the work. Smart tax strategies, use tax-advantaged accounts like 401k, Roth IRA, and index funds.
Let's go!
You can do it too. Start small, be consistent, and think long-term. The power of investing is not about how much you start with, but how well you manage and grow it. Small, steady contributions can turn into massive wealth over time through smart financial habits. Wealthy individuals take calculated risks and focus on assets that appreciate rather than liabilities that depreciate. The sooner you take action, the better your financial future will be. Index funds and ETFs, the safest bet for wealth growth. Dividend stocks, get paid while you wait. REITs, real estate investment trusts, own real estate without the headaches. Crypto and emerging markets, high risk, high reward. Example, investing in Apple stock 10 years ago would have multiplied your money by 6 times. Challenge, research and pick one investment to start today. Investing is not about timing the market, it is about time in the market. The longer you stay invested, the more you benefit from compound growth. The wealthy do not just invest, they educate themselves. Knowledge is the real power behind financial success. Avoid emotional investing. Markets go up and down, but disciplined investors always win in the long run. No matter your starting point, taking that first step is what matters most. Begin today, stay consistent, and build your future wealth. Mistake number 1, trying to time the market. Even the pros fail at this. Mistake number 2, not diversifying. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Mistake number 3, selling too soon. Hold on and let compounding do the work. Example, Bitcoin dropped 80% in 2018 and then hit $69,000 later. Final tip, invest and forget. Let it grow for 10 or more years. Mistake number 4, ignoring fees. High fees eat away at your profits over time. Choose low-cost index funds or ETFs. Mistake number 5, following the crowd. Just because everyone is investing in something does not mean it is a good idea. Do your research. Mistake number 6, not having an emergency fund. Investing is great, but always keep cash available for unexpected expenses. Example, a surprise expense of $1,000 can wipe out gains if you have to sell investments at the wrong time. Final challenge, take action today. Whether it is researching, investing a small amount, or setting up an automatic contribution, start building your wealth now. Subscribe now, you don't want to miss our next video. BOOP the like button, it helps others learn this too. Drop a comment, what's your top investment strategy? Request a topic, tell us what you want to learn next. The best time to start investing was yesterday, the next best time is right now, so take that first step today. Remember, your future wealth depends on what you do today. Take action.